They follow it into the bullshit.
Damn, why?
Why not?
We gonna have a date night tomorrow. We're gonna have we're gonna have them on our crazy journey.
And when you go on rights, I did for you. Yeah. Hey,
What?
I gotta get riled up first.
You better get riled up.
I'm gonna get riled up.
Ooh, I see the baby
riled up.
outside.
They put my lashes on.
Ooh.
Baby booty's on me.
I can't and I will not.
Let the lead of the life. I know freakiness inside. A man gotta do it with it. I'm here. Man, what they think? I don't know. They don't feel it again.
What?
About the break ending. I got a freak in the morning, a freak in the evening.
Just like that.
I got one dick nigga that can satisfy me.
What?
That's for me.
What?
Cause I'm that type of guy.
I got a freaking secret. Everybody saying.
We don't give a fuck about a thing. Fuck the kids. Bitch. Fuck the kids.
What?
Fuck the kids.
What? You better get that shit.
Fuck all the kids.
But they still in. What?
Fuck the kids. Come on, Ivan.
You better. What?
Take
your time. Take your time. Woo. You gotta shake up all your knees. What?
in there. Just like that.
You gotta get some to it. I'm that kind of girl.
I got a freaking secret. Everybody say, we don't give a damn about a thing.
What?
I want to take you around the hood and get you there.
That's breath out there. What? It's all good for me. Get it. Okay, I can't.
Rolling on you, gonna get freaky with me.
Get it.
Look at Ivan. Look at Ivan. Hold this.
What? Hey, stop. Get it. Take your time. You rushing. Take your time. Let them know who's in charge. You in charge. Hey.
We fucking shit tonight. We fucking shit tonight. Look at Ivan. Oh, Ivan.
Got more on you?
I got some more on me. I got some more.
Get it. Come on. Let's see what that nasty baby do. How she be dancing?
She like, Whitney, it's a lunchbox.
What? Carry it on. What?
I work for Amazon.
On and on. What? Look at the box to do that shit. What?
I'm trying to be free. Stop me.
Ready to call your friends? Where your friends at?
Hey, Mr. DJ. Can't wait to fuck. Easy, babe. Easy, babe, you ready?
So you can fuck it up.
We gonna get serious tonight. Oh, yeah. Ooh.
What I'm sorry.
I'm dead. Yeah, these two are. Yeah. I got stamina. I'm the beach well. Take it one more time. Take it one more time. Check it. Mr. DJ. With the party. I'm ready to fuck. Niecy man. Come back, Niecy man. I'm ready to fall in love with you. Please come back, Niecy man. Good things happen at a time. Charge it to my heart. Oh, I need you to let me get that cookie one more time. I'll pull up in the back. I'll bring you a snack. I just need to eat the motherfucking cookie. That's a cookie. I was a cookie. But Niecy man. No, bring it over here. Where that pussy?
It's over in the back.
Where that pussy? Let's fuck.
It's all right. I get ready.
Ready. Let's fuck on Niecy man.
What?
What is it? DJ.
Now, slow it down a little bit. No, they should know that was.
I'm still up with you.
I'm not gonna get it. I think that's it. That's the first thing. There's no shot down. Because I didn't come up. Yeah. You were sideways so nice. Never gonna let you go. I'm still loving you.
I'm in love.
I'm still loving you. I'm feeling what you feel too now. What's that look on your face, my dear?
What's that look on your face?
You never see. I'm about to be your man, sweet. I'm still loving you, baby. I'm still in love. Nobody's gonna take your place in my life. I'm still in love. I'm loving you. I'm still loving you.
I'm in my muscles. That's your Snapchat. I'm trying to pull up on you. I love you. I was in your crib. I came for the book. And I got you. Hey, what push up? Shake it like a push up. Shake it like a push up. Girl, take that fucking knife off, bitch. Take that knife off, bitch. Take it off. We see it. We see the shit print. Take the knife off. You ain't had shit. I'm feeling. Stir it up. I got a blood stain.
What's gonna mix?
Mix the ice cup.
Okay, you can mix it.
Put your fucking lunch bag on. They gonna win the whole way to work. I'm shaking it. Stir it up, stir it up. Let me go. Thank you, let me get a camel. I can cash out. Let me. Stir it up. Stir it up. Stir it up. Best green to the house. Stir it up. Stir it up. Good. Stir it up. Stir it up. Oh yeah. It's a wet t-shirt contest. Oh. Stir it up. Let me go get one. Them the greens. A ball the fuck up in the cup. Thank you, Leah Campbell, for the cash out. Thank you. I gotta take these off because y'all know. I gotta shake it. Okay.
Did you die? You a hurricane? Because what? We make up forever. Never gonna let me move. I'm gonna let you go back easy. I didn't make that love.
Oh yeah. Let me finger that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hurt me on my love.
I never hurt you, baby.
Hey, who said that? You say you hurt me?
I never hurt you, baby.
Okay. Come on, Ivan. I came over here for a book.
I'm not gonna come downstairs and go down.
Get up there.
No.
Get up there and fuck me like you know how. All right. Go ahead.
Say no time. Wait. You make love forever. I'll never let you go that easy.
I'm going with Murphy's on every fucking body in this motherfucking chat. Murphy on the love. Say what you say. Say you love me, baby.
What? Say you love me, baby. What? Oh. Say you love me.
Now. This is a 6'9". This more like a 6'3" because I'm big as fuck.
Okay.
your love.
Say you love my herpes.
Heartbeat on the love. Heartbeat on the. I'm gonna fucking keep saying, baby. I'm gonna fucking keep saying. I'm gonna fucking keep saying, baby. I'm gonna. Heartbeat on the love. Oh.
Like, I cannot. It's almost time to slow down, so you know it's real. Oh, not the thigh. Slow down for him so you know it's real. Woo! You gotta shake it just a little so they know it's real. Ooh. You know what?
Say you love me, Ivan. Say you love me. Say it.
You know what?
Say you love me.
This is how he is. He lost to turn down. He lost to turn down. I'm mad I came downstairs because I was just coming down to check on you. He lost to turn down. Ooh.
But these herpes.
They not lost to turn down. They keep coming, reapplying. Like, oh baby, you're sick. Got distracted. He got distracted going to that grasshopper. And now they make it to
Grasshopper. Come on here.
Lost and turned down. Lost and turned. Stop that. You lost and turned down, huh? What? She's standing.
Sucking in day night.
Sucking tonight.
She has a certain motive.
What's the quota?
I need some dick. $20 will donate to my cash app. So I give back something. What made me be? $20 will donate to my motherfucking shit. I don't give a fuck. I'm a bird on island.
Wait.
Herpes.
Hey. What's the word?
What is the word, baby? Tell you fucking me.
I'm not
They
gonna
turn me on, y'all. I gotta start selling some weed, bro. Here we go.
Hey, don't let me go upstairs and get my weed. Fish don't smoke weed, I do.
I'm selling weed. No, I don't smoke weed. I fucking every day.
I want some weed. What? Stop.
Anybody looking to have a good time tonight?
What? She's telling herpes.
I got some herpes in my head. I need to get down. Come over, Lizzie. I'm in love with you. I'm sorry. Let me make it right. Make it right tonight. Not tomorrow tonight. Let's make it right tonight. Let's make it right tonight. I need to make it right tonight. Let's make it right tonight. I want to eat that cookie right. Easy bacon, I have a little try.
What?
Please let me make it right. We gonna be gone tonight. Get out my house tonight. You been trolling me all damn night. Look at Ivan. He out of here. He been over it. He don't want to see it. Look at it. Fucked up the whole damn house. Fucked up the house.
I'm not gonna do it. I'm not about to do it.
Can I make it right tonight? Easy babe. Can I please have another night of eating fish fillet? Can I have another bite? I need it in my face. I got a herpes outbreak. I want to give it to you now.
This how she feel with him.
Girl, I'm done playing with this shit. Girl, I'm wash all this shit off me.
Please, let her watch this shit.
I'm done with this shit.
You have herpes
I'm having these stuff in my
tonight.
playlist. Yeah.
You're herpes tonight. And she
Hey,
feels so
baby. Hey,
nice.
herpes what?
She giving the eye kid. She giving it to the eye kid.
She gave it to him then. Because she went back to him. Then she went sleeping with me. We didn't get it up because she had that lunchbox. She was ready to go to fucking work. Because he could be in my place. But she don't have no mind.
Praise to everybody.
Hey.
Who cares? Got herpes.
You want some herpes? not gonna do it. I'm giving you herpes. I'm giving you the best of me. So you need to take a bite.
What?
Take a bite.
What?
We're gonna take a bite.
What?
We're gonna take a bite of this big ass pussy
What?
tonight.
What?
I'm ready to rub this big ass pussy tonight. Whatever. Who that? No, will you put your mouth on me?
What?
No. No. Even for the pussy.
She don't care who it is. She wants to spread that herpes.
Don't garbage on everybody now.
What?
And don't get put it out on me.
What?
I'm giving you. You gonna see me this pussy tonight.
What?
Won't eat your cookie. You know I got the herpes.
What?
You're not safe from contracting these.
What?
Cause I'm putting on your pussy.
What?
Now you know I pussy.
What? What? Brown has red better. What? What? You better get that shit. Ooh. What?
You need 10 miles to bite that huge dog.
Not
Hey.
now.
Hey, don't talk about my truck. Here we go. What? I'm giving you everything. I'm going to contractor Jesus. I'm giving you everything.
What?
And you can give me HIV.
What?
I'm giving you HSV1
What?
and HSV2.
What?
I'm the sexiest thing fucking walking. I'm the sexiest thing walking. What do you want to do? What had to come up the line? We had one t-shirt contest. We fucked. What's up? We did it all tonight. We did everything but right.
What?
DC face still down.
What?
Look at 11 years old. And he's a little boy.
What?
But I didn't get the fuck is right. I wanted to put me. It had a bump on me.
What?
I sucked it till I cried all night.
What?
Take me back, Nisi. Take me back, Nisi, baby. Come on, let's talk about it. It's about to eat. You know that's what I love to do. It's about to eat. I want to show you a good time.
You're not gonna do is fuck us on my face.
I want to show you a good time. I want to put my...
You gotta slow it down for them.
I can't slow it down no more.
No, you can't.
I want to slow it down. You slow it down. You're trolling.
I'm not trolling you.
I'm a pussy ball trying to eat.
I
I know I eat your pussy slow. I'm not eating your pussy slow. Trobia, see me in real form. Don't worry about all that. Okay. I've been fucking DC Bay. I've been fucking myself. I'm not proud of this. I have an illness. My wife is the DJ, by the way.
Hey, I don't even know how to DJ any party.
What? Love it like you. Oh my God, no. Yeah, you call me a real form. So we had a time. There's a couple of lines up that have not been recorded yet, but they might be within a matter of minutes. Sweet, sweet, love it, baby, DC baby. You had to let me your money. I had to see what it was about. So I stuck my whole fucking hand. That's you. I want to give you herpes. That's what I'm coming with. I would throw this alcohol back on me. I could throw this alcohol back on me, but it just keeps running all over. Whoa, Megan Whitney asked Ivan for a threesome?
Yeah, Mr. Bunty on the stairs.
No. China, you are actually trolling me. You're trolling me right now.
It's all right with
It's all right with me, this man. I'm sorry for the things I did wrong. You live up the street from me. We can work it out. I want to just lay on you. I got the herpes pill, baby.
You got the herpes pill.
I got the herpes pill.
See right down your lip.
Drip it all on me. Drip it all on me.
Okay.
Drip it all on me. Herpes pill on me. Drip it all on me.
What?
I want it all, because I'm giving it to you all. Oh, baby. See that bump? I just ate some coochie.
I see it.
I just ate some coochie.
It's
So.
a little sexy right there.
Is it sexy?
It's a little sexy.
You want to suck it?
I kind of do.
You do?
I do.
You want to suck the herpes? I'm looking for a poly. China Lee, are you trying to be a poly? I'm trying to, I want to get this bump to be bigger, so I need to eat some more. I need to eat some more cookie. Tonight.
It's all right with you.
It's all right with you. Is it all right with you?
Yeah. You got that.
You want it or not? I'm gonna give it to you, baby. I'm dead. All right with me. You got that herpes pill. I want to see what it be. Give me that pussy. I need.
You got that herpes pill.
I want it. Give me that herpes pill. Give it. Everybody give it. Give me everything. I ain't taking this. Give it. It's all right with me. Okay. So anybody want to come up and talk to me? I'm looking for the polys. Let's do it. We're here. You know, we're here. So let's talk about it. Anybody join? Hit the fucking ad button. Like, I want you up here. I want your pussy right here. I want your pussy right here. So are you gonna come up?
Cause you know y'all want that.
You want to live in a mansion, China Lee? Okay, well, come on. We're gonna fly you out, and then we're gonna ask everybody else for your flight money. I didn't mute you.
Cause you know why?
Are you muted?
She want that brown sugar.
I want cookie.
She want that brown sugar though. Ooh. You better write that shit when it come on. What? You gotta write that shit. You gotta.
I don't have a range.
You do.
I fucked all night. Are you guys can hear me?
And she got her.
I didn't mute them.